Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of June 2025 for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. So first of all, we will talk about Sun controls your seventh house, and right now Sun is starting from your fourth house in the sign of Taurus. Sun will stay into your fourth house till 15 June. After 15 June, Sun will move from your fourth house to your fifth house in the sign of Gemini, where Jupiter is already transiting. So your seventh house Lord right now till 15 June transiting from your fourth house. What is fourth house? Is your home, your properties, your vehicles, your comfort. Your homies are represented by fourth house. Your all the comfort, what type of comfort you will have in your life, what type of conveniences you will have in this life is represented by fourth house. Your mother's figure are represented by fourth house. So seventh house Lord transiting from your fourth house is the house of home. You may have to renovate your property somehow, or you may look into your fourth house related matter a lot. Your major focus will be your fourth house thing. Either you will be renovating your home, or you will be thinking about renovating your home or buying some new property. You may arrange some get together before 15 June regarding your fourth house related matter. After 15 June, when Sun will move from your fourth house to your fifth house, is your children, your love relationship, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance. As we discussed previously, Jupiter is as well transiting from your fifth house. So when Sun will move to your fifth house, there will be a high possibility you will get great result regarding your fifth house related matter, because fifth house is your education, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, how smart you are, how genius you are, how fast you can grasp things. So Jupiter is already expanding your fifth house significance, and when Sun will targeting your fifth house, there will be a good opportunity if you are in education life, if you have any sincere love relationship, if you are have children, like you're elder in age, you are married and you have children, then there will be a good Mercury as well targeting after 7 June to 23rd June till your into your fifth house. So Mercury, Jupiter, and Sun will be present into your fifth house, a major time period of this prediction. So for some time, Jupiter and Mercury will come into combustion, because when Sun will move 2 or 3 degrees closer to the planet, then there will be a very tight combustion. Then there will be planet. Then the planet will be in a very tight combustion. Then planet may lose good significance during that time period. So you need to be very careful when Sun will be in a close combustion with Mercury and Jupiter regarding your education and your love relationship related matter. Venus controls your ninth house and your fourth house, and Venus is right now transiting from your third house in the sign of Aries. Venus is just moved from your second house to your third house in the beginning of this month, and will stay into your third house till the whole month of June into your third house. So what is third house is your efforts, your courage, your communication abilities, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, your skills, gifted skills are represented by third house. Your hands are represented by. So ninth house Lord expecting from third house to its own house. So ninth house will be in a good position. Third house and ninth house, both the houses connected with your travel. Third house represents short distance travel and ninth house represents long distance travel. So you may get the travel opportunity if you are looking to travel somewhere in the month of June, like short distance travel or long distance travel. Ninth house also deal with your education related matter. So you will do a lot of effort regarding your education related matter if you are in education life, and you will also get the revenue of that effort, because third house and ninth house, both the houses will be in a strong position. Your luck will be enhances in the month of June, because ninth house also deal with your luck related matter. So you will get great result regarding your luck related matter as well. Venus also controls your fourth house, and fourth house Lord being transiting from your third house and expecting your ninth house, its own house. So that's why we were saying you may be thinking of renovation your home, or you may try to renovate your home in the month of June, or there will be some activity regarding your home related matter, because Sun and fourth house Lord is also turning from your third house in a good position. Mars controls your third house and your 10th house, and there is a good news for all the Aquarius ascendant people. Mars is about to come out from its debilitated state. Previously, Mars was moving in the sign of Cancer into your sixth house. So you were previously getting some disturbing result regarding your court case litigation arguments related matter. But when Mars will come to your seventh house where Ketu is already transiting, then there will be a good result regarding your work related matter because Mars controls your 10th house and 10th house Lord transiting from the seventh house. You will get great result regarding your work related matter because 10th house Lord will affecting your ascendant. So there will be a good influx of energy. You will do passionately your work. You will put a lot of effort and you will also get the revenue of that effort. Just you need to avoid conflict with your spouse and business partnership if you have any spouse or you have any business partnership. We can expect these results for all the Aquarius ascendant people in the month of June. Our today's video monthly prediction of June 2025 for all the Aquarius ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.